Good morning, Thomas here coming to you live from MarineMax Palm Beach. I wanted to take a minute today to go through the 2018 Scout 175 Sportfish with you. Fantastic little boat for cruising the river or for the really nice days to be offshore. We're going to take a moment real quick just to run through some of the options. The boat comes with a dedicated anchor locker up in the front, so no more anchors bouncing around on you. Move back here, we have a very large built-in storage compartment with overboard drain and your anchor light stored inside. The boat is equipped with a Yeti, which is also your front seat with a backrest. Move around to the console. We have a fantastic dry storage area here for your bags and towels and anything else that you'd like to keep dry. Now this boat is equipped with the twin captain's chairs, which are a fantastic addition for when you just want to go for a nice cruise on the weekend. As you can also see, we have the back seats in this boat with the optional live well. The boat is equipped with a 90 horsepower Yamaha. So if you'd like more information on this boat, come on down and see us here at PGA Marina. Have a great weekend.